Hi everyone, I'm Pam Barnhill, and today on our morning time methods.
Let's let a kid do this.
Oh, okay.
Hi, I'm Olivia, and today we are going to be talking about things to do with your hands at morning time. Okay, so some things we have here today. We like to do perler beads, and you can make all these different things with perler beads. With these. Also, there are lots of patterns online, and you can make things like dinosaurs or puppies or unicorns or whatever. So they're really fun to do. We also have kinetic sand. We have the kinetic sand float, which floats with water, and it's sort of like a putty, but a sandier version. We also have watercolors. We have the brushes with barrels, so we don't have to worry about spilling water. You can use the pencils, or you can use these, which these are just lots of colors. We also use sometimes chalk pastels. Chalk pastels are really fun, especially when you can find video tutorials online. We also have puzzles with pieces shaped like countries. Puzzles can be fun, a lot. And this one is the whole world. We also have, one of my brothers likes origami. So he has all these different papers, and he has a book to show him how to fold things. So the same brother likes Spirograph, which is you get these cool templates, and you get the pen and sort of draw with them. It's really fun to do. We also have pattern blocks. These are really fun. You can build whatever you want, or you can do things of your own. They're really fun to do, and they're very blocky. We also have rainbow loom. Rainbow loom can be a little bit difficult, but it's still fun. Get all these different colored bands, and you get a loom, and you sort of weave things. Thanks for watching. And there you have it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You need to let me sit back down. And there you have it. Now, as you can see, there is a huge selection of things that your kids can do with their hands during morning time. So they don't have to sit there on their hands to keep from trying to wiggle. They can actually keep busy. And studies have shown that by doing things with their hands, they actually can learn more as they're listening. So it's really a wonderful way to let them not have to be perfectly still, but it's beneficial to them with their listening skills as well. So lots of great ideas in this video, and I just thank Olivia so much for helping me out. Thanks, Olivia.
Bye.
Bye.